As we stand on the cusp of a new decade, it's clear that artificial intelligence has reached an inflection point. The sheer scale and scope of innovation on display here at CES is a testament to the profound impact AI will have on our lives. From healthcare to finance, transportation to education, every industry is being rewritten by this revolutionary technology. But what you may not know is that the true significance of these advancements extends far beyond the tech world itself. The AI revolution is about to disrupt entire supply chains, upend traditional business models, and redefine the very notion of work in the modern era. Let's put some numbers on this. Over 30% of all Fortune 500 companies are already exploring AI-powered automation solutions. By 2025, that number is expected to jump to a staggering 60%. Meanwhile, the average company is losing around $1 million annually due to inefficiencies caused by manual data processing. But it's not just about cost savings, it's about innovation itself. As we speak, teams of engineers and researchers are working tirelessly to integrate AI into every aspect of their operations. Companies like NVIDIA, Google Cloud, and Amazon Web Services are leading the charge with their cutting-edge platforms and tools. And then there's the human factor. According to a recent study by McKinsey, up to 800 million jobs could be lost worldwide due to automation by 2030. But what this also means is that up to 140 million new roles will emerge, requiring entirely new sets of skills and competencies. As we continue our journey through the AI revolution at CES, you'll meet the trailblazers who are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI today. You'll witness firsthand the latest breakthroughs in areas like natural language processing, computer vision, and machine learning. But most importantly, you'll begin to understand the seismic shifts that are about to reshape your industry forever. As we stand here at the Consumer Electronics Show, it's clear that artificial intelligence has become a driving force in innovation. The past year alone saw a whopping $3 billion invested in AI startups, marking a staggering 400% increase in funding compared to just 5 years ago. This influx of capital is not only fueling growth but also accelerating the pace of development. Industry leaders such as NVIDIA, Google, and Amazon have already begun to integrate AI into their product lines, from smart home devices to autonomous vehicles. And it's not just big players that are getting in on the action. Startups like Mayfield Robotics and Uptech Robotics are pushing the boundaries with robots designed for consumer use. But what exactly is driving this revolution? One key factor is the rapid advancement of machine learning algorithms. Just a decade ago, AI was primarily limited to simple tasks like image recognition and basic decision-making. Today, we're seeing significant breakthroughs in more complex areas such as natural language processing, computer vision, and even creative problem-solving. According to a recent report by McKinsey & Company, AI is expected to create $2.6 trillion in economic value by 2025, with the majority of that growth coming from industries like healthcare, finance, and transportation. But what about the implications for everyday people? We'll explore how companies are leveraging AI to improve patient outcomes, streamline supply chains, and even create new forms of entertainment. As we delve deeper into the AI revolution at CES, you'll hear from industry experts, see cutting-edge products firsthand, and gain a deeper understanding of how these technologies will soon be changing your life. As we delve deeper into the AI revolution at CES, it's clear that the industry is on the cusp of a major paradigm shift. Last year's figures are a testament to this, with over $3 billion invested in AI startups, representing a staggering 400% increase in funding compared to just 5 years ago. This influx of capital has enabled companies like NVIDIA, Google, and Amazon to accelerate their research and development efforts. One key development that caught our attention was the unveiling of NVIDIA's new graphics processing unit, GPU, designed specifically for AI workloads. With its unprecedented levels of performance and power efficiency, this GPU is poised to revolutionize everything from image recognition to natural language processing. We spoke with NVIDIA's CEO, Jensen Huang, who explained how their technology will enable industries like healthcare, finance, and education to harness the full potential of AI. Meanwhile, Google showcased their latest advancements in AI-powered robotics, highlighting their work on human-robot interaction and collaborative robotics. Their research suggests that AI can not only improve efficiency but also augment human capabilities, making workers more productive and safer. The implications for industries like manufacturing, logistics, and transportation are vast. The evidence is clear: AI is no longer a distant future, it's here now. Companies like IBM, Microsoft, and Facebook are actively integrating AI into their products and services, driving innovation across sectors. From smart homes to autonomous vehicles, the possibilities are endless, and the stakes are high. As we explore the AI revolution at CES, one thing becomes increasingly clear: the next decade will be shaped by these technologies, and those who adapt will thrive while those who resist risk being left behind. As we delve deeper into the AI revolution at CES, it's clear that the impact will be far-reaching and profound. One of the most significant areas where AI is making a difference is in healthcare. Companies like IBM are working on developing AI-powered diagnostic tools that can detect diseases such as breast cancer with unprecedented accuracy. For example, their Watson for Oncology platform has been shown to improve treatment outcomes by 30% compared to traditional methods. But AI is also transforming industries beyond healthcare. In the realm of manufacturing, companies like GE Appliances are leveraging machine learning algorithms to optimize production lines and predict equipment failures before they occur. This not only improves efficiency but also reduces waste and energy consumption. Another area where AI is making significant inroads is in education. Organizations like Coursera are using natural language processing to create personalized learning experiences that adapt to individual students' needs and abilities. This can lead to better retention rates, improved graduation outcomes, and a more inclusive education system overall. However, as with any revolution, there are concerns about job displacement. According to a report by the McKinsey Global Institute, up to 800 million jobs could be lost worldwide due to automation by 2030. While AI will undoubtedly displace some jobs, it's also creating new ones that we can't yet imagine. In fact, a survey by the World Economic Forum found that while 75% of businesses believe AI will significantly change their industry, only 40% are prepared to adapt. As we navigate this uncertain landscape, one thing is clear: AI has the potential to drive unprecedented growth and innovation across industries. But it's also crucial for companies to invest in upskilling and reskilling their workforces so that they can thrive in a rapidly changing environment. As we explore the AI revolution at CES, a turning point becomes clear: the technology is no longer just about automation and efficiency. It's about fundamentally changing the way industries operate. Consider NVIDIA's cutting-edge graphics processing units, GPUs, used in everything from self-driving cars to medical research. Their CEO, Jensen Huang, unveiled a new GPU specifically designed for AI at last year's conference. This marked a major shift in the industry, as companies began prioritizing AI capabilities over traditional computing power. The impact was immediate, with NVIDIA's stock price soaring by 20% in the days following the announcement. This trend is set to continue, with analysts predicting that AI-powered GPUs will dominate the market within the next 2 years. Meanwhile, other innovators like IBM and Google are making strides in natural language processing, NLP. Their breakthroughs have enabled machines to understand human speech patterns with uncanny accuracy, a crucial step towards more sophisticated AI applications. IBM's Watson Assistant, for instance, is being integrated into everything from smartphones to smart homes. But it's not just about the technology itself. The AI revolution at CES has also sparked a new wave of collaboration and innovation. Companies that once competed in isolation are now coming together to develop industry-specific solutions. This partnership-driven approach will undoubtedly accelerate progress and help mitigate concerns around job displacement. As we conclude our exploration of the AI revolution at CES, it's clear that the future is now. The pace of innovation is accelerating exponentially, with AI-powered startups and established players alike redefining industries across the globe. From robotics and autonomous vehicles to healthcare and finance, no sector will be immune to the transformative power of artificial intelligence. The numbers are staggering: over $3 billion invested in AI startups last year alone, a 400% increase from just 5 years ago. And it's not just about the money, it's about the people, the skills, and the expertise that are being brought together to drive this revolution forward. Companies like NVIDIA, Google, and Microsoft are already making significant strides in AI research and development. But what does this mean for you? Whether you're a business leader, entrepreneur,